It's only €9, so you can't say no to that. Well, we are in
Bologna.
Bologna. Now you wonder why we're in Bologna, maybe because you could have gone to Florence or Milano, but I mean, our main reason for coming here, we've never been here. First of all, we have been to Firenze before. Exactly. But we need, well, we're going to hire a car because we're going to drive from Italy to Slovenia, and then to Austria, Poland, Liechtenstein, and Prague, and back to Lake Como on the way back down. But to hire a car from Florence was going to cost us, the same car was 80% more than hiring it from Bologna. So it's only a small drive. So we figured we'll just get the cheap car hire, stay here for a couple of nights before we head off. Exactly. And yeah, have a little look around the town. Look at Bologna, which has got some apparently really awesome food. Yes. So, you're right? Yep. We got here last night and it was pretty late when we got on the train. We got off the train. So we just chilled out at home. And now we're just going to have a bit of an explore of the town and have a little look around Bologna. So stick around if you want to see what Bologna looks like. Definitely. Little short shorts. Oh, short shorts. Short shorts. We just walked down from, well, way back that way is where we started the video. And we've just come across a little clothes market. It's pretty good. It looks pretty cheap. They are offering. Well, what they're selling, not offering. Yes. It smells secondhand. Yes, I think it's maybe pre-loved. Pre-loved market, yes. Vintage. Vintage market. €3. €3. For jeans, I meant. €3. Shoes. Not really sure. Not really sure. Looking at someone else's shoes. But hey, each to their own. What a huge area. This big square here, I know what this is called. There's no big buildings around it, so it probably won't have a name. There's no big buildings around that square, so it probably doesn't have a name. A bit of everything. I do like a bargain. You do like a bargain. It's a very rare occurrence. Us in a church. It's amazing. It's very pretty. Organs are playing. It's very special. Yeah, and we just randomly saw this on the street. It was like one little door open. Just there. It's huge. Have a look at it. It's a massive square. Wow. So pretty. There's another church here. It's not so pretty from the outside, but it looks humongous. So we'll go look inside there, eh? Yeah. All right, let's go. Right. If you're coming here, you can't wear what we're wearing. Not today. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. We'll wear something different. Yeah. Okay. Well. Let's continue on. That way, baby. Of course. We're in the luxury part of town now. Louis Vuitton. Versace. It's all here. It's not really our speed, is it? Not Versace, no. No. Some of the others are. We like nice watches. Yeah. True. We love watches. That's true. It smells quite nice. It does smell nice. Looks like there's a Maserati dealer up ahead. Everyone loves their dogs here as well, which is awesome. Galleria Cavour. It is quiet. good when you're my height, these things. We've been walking around for a bit now. It's sort of very decentralised down, isn't it? It's not all like one major centre we've found so far, but it's all
it's a little
quiet.
bit of everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit more chilled vibe.
Yeah, way more chilled. Compare this to Naples, it's pretty hard.
Oh gosh, yeah, it's totally different.
It's spotlessly clean, it's not covered in graffiti, so there's two very big pluses for me.
It's really pretty. We prefer Bologna to Naples, but that's just a personal choice.
Country northern Italy's the best, I think, and AB thinks as well. So
definitely.
I think we're going to walk around a little bit further. If we find something really, really cool, we'll check back in. But we'll show you what we find. But yeah, it's not. It's like a decentralised city centre, I guess. It's not all in one spot. No, it's probably the best way to say it. Yeah, a bit of a maze.
You're the one areas.
But we did see some people eating tagliatelle that are good.
That's what we'll be getting later.
Oh yeah, won't we ever? All right, let's keep going. We're just finished on, we haven't really finished, but we're getting to the end of this side of the town. So that's the main area, I guess. According to Google anyway, the yellow areas. So there's two sides. So if you use the train station as the reference point, that's the south side of Bologna. So now we're going to go back over the bridge and do the north side of Bologna. So see if that's got a different feel or a different vibe. But these back streets certainly have a different feeling about them, don't they?
Yeah, they're definitely a lot more quieter, more residential, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Bologna's just got a very chilled vibe, very relaxing, with lots of good reviews and good food.
Yeah, so it's not dissimilar to Sofia. That's the same sort of feeling we had, that calmness about it, which is good.
Yeah, but we like that.
We love that, yeah. We're country folk.
I think we are. With a little bit of water.
A little bit of water. We like a bit of the beach as well, but we're country folk. We're just walking over this bridge between north and south. That's the Bologna Centro station, the train station that we came in on, and we have to pick up the hire car from the airport. So we went before to work out basically how to get to the airport. There's a brand new, I think it's a monorail from what I saw. I think it is a monorail. You sort of see just over there near that chimney. That goes straight to the airport from here, and it's €9.20 per person.
Yeah, that's right.
So we're going to take that, but we're first just going to check Uber, because there is Uber in Bologna. So we're going to check how much an Uber is going to cost us to get from the hotel to the airport. But if you do need to take that that monorail to the airport, if you're getting the airport back to town, it's this road here. There's an entrance just around the back, and there's a shop across the road that sells tickets. There's a machine inside that sells the tickets. But you don't have to go right away across and in through the main station, because you ultimately go underground and pop up out on this side again. But it's just over there. There's an entrance, and you can just get your tickets and get the monorail from there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think we got to stop for a drink.
Do we?
I think so. And a snack. Found this market street, but nothing's open, which is weird. But
it is closed a little bit.
We've walked around a few streets looking for stuff to be open, but we haven't seen anything just yet.
Not too many.
So we're going to say the south side of town is the busy side of town.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Unless you want fruit.
Unless you want fruit and veg, you've got plenty of choices there. And we've got some important stuff to do today, because when you travel like we travel, you very rarely get a washing machine, so you have to use laundromats. So we're going to go inspect the laundromat to make sure we can wash our clothes.
Fun stuff.
Yeah.
But it's what you have to do.
Yeah, you have to do it. It's part of it. Coming up, we've actually coming up to 3 months since we left home now.
Oh, jeez.
That went quick.
It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. But we'll keep walking, and if we see something cool, we'll let you know.
Definitely. Alright. That way?
Street. Turn right up that street.
It's a quieter area.
I think so too, baby. We found the laundromat. It's good. Had a success there.
Good.
€10 to do our washing, but we might have a washing facilities in Ljubljana, so we've got to check that before we go back. But I think we're going to call it a day for now, but we're going to keep the video going, because we are going to go out for some food. So once we find a decent restaurant, then we'll
close by, we'll show you our pasta.
Yeah, our pasta. Stay tuned. The night has come.
It has.
I don't know where that came from. You didn't. It's 8 o'clock.
Jeez.
And we well, that's where we're staying there. The Sav Hotel.
It's the number 2 hotel.
Number 2 hotel in Bologna. Yeah, it's
we're a little bit out.
It's out because it's like a residential area, but there's not too much around.
So quiet.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
But we're going to Snoopy 2, not Snoopy 1, or Snoopy 3. Snoopy 2.
Is there a Snoopy 3?
I don't know. Maybe. I assume there's a Snoopy 1 because there's a Snoopy 2. But it's just
an Italian restaurant.
Yeah. So the restaurant's like just there, and the hotels are just there.
It's literally walking distance.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
So they have everything we want. There's not a lot of restaurants in this area. That's the only thing.
Not in our area, next to the Sav Hotel.
Yeah. So we're going to walk down there. We're going to order the food, and when we get the food, we're going to show you the food, and then we're going to call this video, I think.
Yes. We'll be done, and tomorrow will be a relaxing day of chilling out.
Yeah. It's late, and I'm hungry. You're hungry.
We're both hungry.
We're both hungry. All right. We picked. What do we pick?
We are going to go for a pasta and a pizza to share.
Yeah. Tagliatelle with ragu.
Tagliatelle with ragu. And we are going to go for diavola.
Diavola pizza. And my pick is the 1 litre of Sangiovese for only €9.
Why not?
Exactly.
What else are you going to do?
Exactly. We got bread for the table, Parmigiano Reggiano, and Pisanti water.
Perfect.
All right, where's the food?
It's coming.
Vino de casa.
It arrived in a big jug.
In a jug. It's a
we did not expect that.
Sangiovese, which is 1 litre for €9, which is not bad. I mean, if you compare it to the supermarket prices, it's not too bad.
No, but it's quite a lot.
It's a lot of.
Not
We did
expect
not
it in a
want
jug.
that much, no. True.
But,
Oh well.
well.
We got the bread. The bread was good, and they got this like chili oil there, which is also awesome. That's really, really good. Oh, that's so good. Cheers.
Why not?
My pizza arrived first.
I got nothing.
Nothing yet. But they never cut them. There must be a reason why they don't cut the pizzas in Italy. I'll find that out.
In Napoli, they didn't
never cut them as well.
Yeah.
But
I don't know.
I guess we'll start on this and we'll wait for your pasta to arrive.
Looks good.
Yeah, good. We'll share. We'll share.
Yeah, sure.
The crust is super crispy. The base is really, really crispy. The sauce is amazing, and the sausage on it. Oh, jeez Louise. That's a 9 out of 10 pizza right there. I'd say 10 out of 10, but it's a little bit too hot. I could wait, but I'm a greedy guts. Happy, Pappy?
Ooh, nice bit of pasta.
Oh yeah.
My way, very happy.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
What more could you want?
Taste it and see what it's like. Come on.
Okay, really?
Yeah, go.
Ooh, it's a big call. This is where it started, right here.
Oh yeah, this is the home of this. Yeah.
This is the home of it. Oh gosh, that's not a bad.
Just have some.
So good. Oh wow, very nice.
Very nice. I think we're going to call the video here.
Yes.
We're just trying to eat and enjoy our food and wine.
It's been lovely.
Yeah.
Come to Bologna.
Come to Bologna.
Awesome.
The food's bellissimo. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.